National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Leland to Earlville, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for Earlville, Leland, Serena, Newark, and Shering. Hazard: baseball-size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Sheridan, Lake Holiday, Silmanock, Earlville, Serena, Newark, Leland, Millington, Millbrook, Lisbon, Platteville, Harding, and Norway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm